Times Now exposes gross violation of Child Labour Act in Jammu and Kashmir. Children from the age of 7 to 10 made to work in inhuman conditions and even at night in a spare parts factory, all after they were promised a better life. While the police has swung into action and has arrested the child trafficker, the question is this the India we want for the youngest of the poorest of our country?
Forced to work in these dangerous conditions for a living. Their childhood lost in the walls of these factories. Their lives controlled by masters who don't see them as children but merely cheap labor. These are the child laborers of Kathua, smuggled all the way from Bengal and Bihar by men like Jayanti Das, who regularly traffics children to work in at least 9 factories.
ये बच्चे आए लाए कहाँ से? बंगाल से।
कोई तो 8-9 होगा।
8-9 जगह यहाँ काम करते हैं।
These children were trafficked from West Bengal with a promise of better life, but here they were subjected to forced labor as factory workers in inhuman conditions.
Das was held just hours after Times Now got his confession on camera. The police managing to rescue 18 of these children.
जब हमने वहाँ देखा कि बच्चे काम कर रहे हैं तो we took the appropriate legal action, जो भी कानूनी कार्रवाई बनती हमने किया, इसमें basically Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act है, जिसके तहत एक complaint हमें फाइल करनी होती है.
But such is the indifference and apathy among those responsible for curbing child labour that the Assistant Labour Commissioner, Ghanshyam Basotra, says he doesn't even know about the case.
मतलब कि हमारे बताने से पहले आपको इस बारे में कुछ नहीं
अभी तक कोई पता नहीं था इसका.
Ghanshyam Basotra's excuse, not cutting any ice with those who exposed this crime.
बच्चे वहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पे तारे काट रहे हैं, वहाँ पे मशीनरी वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारा जो एक सारा सिनेरियो चल रहा था, मेरे को लगता है कि ये सारे जो हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है एक मिली भगत है, क्योंकि जो कंसर्निंग डिपार्टमेंट है वो उनको भी पता है कि ऐसा कठुआ में काम हो रहा है, लेकिन वो इस चीज पे चुप बैठे हैं.
Betrayed by those entrusted to take care for them, as these children get smuggled, abused and exploited. The picture begs us to ask, is this India 2012? With Pradeep Datta in Kathua, Ritika Dange for Times Now.